Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wedding flyer. First, choose an intuitive design platform like Canva or Adobe Express. These platforms offer hundreds of beautiful, customizable templates specifically for weddings. Select a template that perfectly complements your wedding's unique style and color palette. This initial step saves you significant time and ensures a professional-looking foundation for your special announcement. Now, it's time to make the flyer truly yours. Easily change the colors and fonts to align with your wedding's theme, perhaps using 2 or 3 complementary shades. Upload 1 or 2 high-quality photos of you and your partner, or even your chosen venue, to add a personal touch. You can also resize and reposition elements to create a balanced and visually appealing design. Next, ensure all the crucial information is prominently displayed. Clearly state both your names and the exact wedding date. Don't forget to include the precise times and locations for both the ceremony and the reception. Finally, provide clear RSVP instructions, whether it's a phone number, email address, or a dedicated wedding website, allowing guests to easily confirm their attendance. Before finalizing, carefully proofread every word to catch any typos or grammatical mistakes. A fresh pair of eyes can be very helpful. Once perfect, download your flyer in a high-resolution format, such as a PDF, ideal for printing. You can also easily share the digital version via email, messaging apps, or across various social media platforms to reach all your beloved guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.